Okay, so I've made a new feature, and it's using the component system again, so you can take any object in the scene and use this column distance space effect. And essentially all this does is it'll hold a selected material collection, or material parameter collection rather, and then these two variables called distance max strength and distance min strength. So first of all, I'll show you what it does. I'm not a VFX artist, so I've just had a lerp on the opacity as you get closer. But if we go to the component here, you'll notice these two variables, distance max strength and distance min strength. I've gone ahead and included some description on what they actually do, but just for a little more clarity, just picture there's two radius around this object here. So we have a smaller circle and a bigger circle. When you enter the bigger circle, this will start to affect, or like bring the effect you want into life, and then it will get stronger until it reaches the inner circle, at which point it will be at max strength. And you can just affect those two radiuses with these numbers here. And all it is to lerp from 0 to 1, or 1 to 0 depending on the direction you're going, using this distance parameter on the collection. So if we go to here, actually I've got it open on my bottom content drawer here, you'll notice that it's just a 1, a float that's written as 1 called alpha, and then it just lerps that, where is it? Through here. Now if you want to make a new one, you can just duplicate it, so Control D, and then say, aha, whatever you want to call it, right? And then I'll have that, and then if you want to go over to your scene, you can, yeah, there it is. But we don't want that. It's a crappy naming convention. So we're going to get rid of that. However, if you want to use one of these in your material, just go to your material. I've just used it in the opacity here. And then you're just going to type in parameter, like so. And you're going to get the collection parameter. And then whichever collection parameter you want to use. Again, I'm going to use the master and that, and then you can just plug it into opacity, or you know, if we had a opaque one, we could maybe do the metallic / specular. Actually, you know what? We'll save that just to show you what that looks like. Hello. There we go. So see, it's looking pretty dull and matted, and as we get closer it looks a little shinier, right? And so you can really use this for anything. Now if we wanted to, yeah, actually, yeah, let's do this. We'll do it, and we'll do 1, 2, 3. Can you actually do that? Oh, you can do that. Very cool. Just make sure it's set to that alpha, and you know what, we'll set this back to translucent on the 1, 2, 3 channel. Now this is all in my testing 1, 2, 3 again, but see, it's the collection here. We have not changed that, so it won't do anything until we switch the channel to 1, 2, 3. At which point it goes translucent. Okay, thank you for watching.